Understanding the Scaled Agile Framework, SAFE, a comprehensive guide. Is your business struggling to deliver fast quality results in today's competitive world? Teams feel disconnected, solutions are misaligned, and time to market lags. These challenges are real. But with the right tools, you can turn them into opportunities. Enter the Scaled Agile Framework, SAFE, your roadmap to success. SAFE is the key to unlocking agility, efficiency, and collaboration at scale. Imagine breaking silos, aligning massive teams with shared goals, and delivering value faster than ever. Hi, everyone. Welcome to AQMB Agile Institute, where we explore the principles of agile and lean project management to help you succeed in today's fast-paced work environment. In this video, we'll explore SAFE step by step, how it works, its principles, and why it could be the solution your organization needs. The Scaled Agile Framework, SAFE, is a structured approach to implementing Agile across large organizations. By integrating lean and agile principles, SAFE helps multiple teams collaborate seamlessly, fostering productivity and fast delivery. It's designed for enterprises ready to scale Agile beyond small teams. Why is SAFE so impactful? It adapts Agile for complex environments, ensuring all teams, from developers to executives, are perfectly aligned. Think of it as the GPS for navigating your business's toughest challenges while staying focused on the destination, delivering customer value. Every decision in SAFE connects to your company's bottom line. Economic thinking ensures your teams focus on delivering maximum customer value while optimizing costs. It's about making smart, value-driven trade-offs. SAFE thrives on a cultural foundation, the lean agile mindset. It teaches teams to embrace change, adapt quickly, and learn continuously. By shifting your organization's perspective, challenges turn into stepping stones for innovation. Teams cannot operate in isolation. SAFE emphasizes system thinking, viewing the entire organization as a connected ecosystem. This ensures that all components work in harmony, aligning toward shared objectives. Decentralizing decisions empowers teams to act faster. Your leaders set the strategy, but SAFE allows individuals closer to the work to take ownership of day-to-day decisions. This enhances agility across the organization. Teams achieve greatness through small, consistent steps. By iterating frequently, SAFE ensures continuous improvement, steady progress, and minimized risk. Each step brings your solutions closer to market. Change starts from within. Encourage leadership to adopt and champion lean agile values. Provide training to employees, sparking a cultural shift toward collaboration and adaptability. Agile release trains, known as ARTs, are the heartbeat of SAFE. These cross-functional teams collaborate to deliver value continuously. Organizing teams around value streams keeps everyone focused on the customer's needs. Begin with a pilot ART, carefully planning its scope and deliverables. Use this as a proving ground, gathering insights that will guide future ARTs. Think big, but start small. Set clear goals for each iteration. Collaborate, plan effectively, and keep flexibility at the forefront. Iterations allow your teams to review progress and pivot in response to real-time feedback. Once your pilot demonstrates success, scale incrementally. Follow SAFE's prescribed framework to coordinate ARTs, improve efficiencies, and build momentum. SAFE tears down silos, opening lines of communication across departments. The result? Unified, high-performing teams aligned on shared goals. Accelerate your time to market. SAFE's iterative approach ensures you're delivering customer value faster, keeping you ahead of competitors. Focused teams produce polished, innovative solutions. SAFE integrates continuous feedback to refine every iteration, delivering only the best results. SAFE empowers teams with clear goals, creative freedom, and meaningful work. Employees feel valued, leading to higher engagement and morale. SAFE isn't without challenges. Its scale can overwhelm organizations new to Agile. Resistance to change and initial complexity are common barriers, but with commitment, training, and leadership buy-in, these hurdles become opportunities for growth. Customize SAFE to fit your unique needs. It's flexible by design, allowing organizations to scale while maintaining control. Leverage small wins to build trust and momentum. Are you ready to transform your organization with SAFE? Channel your team's energy into a proven framework that improves alignment, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Take the first step. Learn, train, and build your lean agile future today. Visit AQMB website now to explore resources, training, and expert guidance on implementing SAFe. Don't let challenges hold your business back. Unleash your full potential and deliver unparalleled value starting now. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to AQMB Agile Institution for more agile insights. Until next time, keep improving and keep delivering value.